Ningbo Xinzhou Welding Company is a leading manufacturer specializing in high-performance wire mesh welding machines. Our fence mesh welding machines are designed for high efficiency, precision, and durability, making them ideal for fencing, security barriers, and construction applications. The GWC BZ3000 model features automatic wire feeding, CNC control, CNC bending, and automatic stacking, ensuring stable welding quality and optimized production efficiency. Below are the detailed specifications and features of our GWC BZ3000 automatic fence mesh welding machine. Mesh width, 2,500 mm / 3,000 mm. Mesh length, 3,000 mm. Number of welding spots, 51/61. Welding wire diameter, 3 to 8 mm. Cross wire spacing, 20 to 200 mm. Longitudinal wire spacing, 50 mm. Welding speed, 60 to 80 times/min. Adjustable clamping distance to accommodate different mesh specifications. Feeding speed up to 3 wires per second. Storage capacity up to 1 ton, significantly reducing mesh alternation time and improving overall efficiency. Neat wire ends with independently adjustable length for better welding quality. Magnetic electric roller in the hopper storage system for stable steel bar absorption and feeding. Storage bin sensor switch automatically controls material replenishment based on stock levels. Independent welding modules for low spatter and stable current. Single action booster cylinder, reducing energy consumption by 30%. Dual striking mechanism ensures cleaner and more precise wire ends. CNC servo control system for high speed and precision, 4.5M single stroke, grade 7 precision rack and pinion drive for highly accurate mesh positioning. CNC controlled bending, adjustable bending angle and depth. Deflection compensation work table, reducing manual adjustment time and improving consistency. Maximum lifting capacity, 100 kilograms, stacking height, 500 mm. Dual position discharge table with automatic switching, allowing uninterrupted unloading and improving production efficiency.